or let us recall some of the identities that we're going to use. Why we're going to use identities? Because we need to factorize in order to solve a quadratic equation. So solving a quadratic equation, step 1 needs factorization, or you need to factorize, and step 2 you need to replace or find the solution or root. So first let us recall the identities that we already know, and they are a plus b squared, which is the perfect square, is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Also, we should know that a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So this is what these two are called perfect squares, and this is called difference of two squares. So if I gave you this example and I told you solve x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So first we know that we notice that these are three terms. So these are three terms like the terms in the identities. And we ask ourselves this question: what is the variable that when you square gives you x squared? It's x. What is the number that when you square it gives you 4? It's 2. So we need the middle one now. So is 2 times x times 2 equals to 4x? Yes. When the answer is yes, we need one more step to do, and it is the signs. So since we have plus sign here and we already have a plus sign here, so the factorization is going to be x. It's going to be x and the 2 and whatever sign it's next to the middle term. So it's plus, and then you write square equals to 0. So this is the first step, which is factorization. Now we need to solve or to find the solution. Now x plus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is what we mean by x plus 2 squared. Suppose that this is called a multiplied by this is called b equal to 0. So if I want this product to be 0, either a is 0 or b is 0. Example, if I have m times n equals 0, so I have the first choice, m equals 0. So m equals 0, therefore 0 times n is 0, or I have n equals 0, therefore m times 0 is 0. So when we apply this rule, we're going to have x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Now since we have the same factors, or the two factors are the same, and therefore we only take one root. So x is equal, when you take 2 to the other side, equals to minus 2, 2 equal roots. And you can say also 2 equal solutions. It's the same meaning.